this How To Fest segment, I'm going to show you how to use your Instapot, making a simple meal. I call this 3-bean and chicken stew. It's something my sister taught me. And all you'll need is 3 to 4 cans of beans, your choice. I like to go with a mixture of red, white, and black. 1 can of corn. 1.5 to 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, or you could do the same amount of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You'll need a packet of ranch dip and 2 packets of taco seasoning. I forgot to get an extra one, so I'm just going to use one, and I'm going to add a little chili powder to make it like taco seasoning. Alright, so all you do is start off by adding your chicken breast to the Instapot. Today I'm going to do about 1.5 pounds. And then just add in your beans. If you like something a little more soupy, don't drain any of the liquid. I like mine thicker, so I'm going to drain liquid from about half the cans of beans before I put them in. And just dump them right in. This recipe is a great beginner recipe for your Instapot because it's so easy to do. So since I'm doing 1.5 pounds, I like to do 4 cans of beans. It seems like a good chicken to bean ratio. So I'm doing 2 cans of black beans, a can of white beans, and a can of red beans. And then the corn. And then the taco seasoning. You'll notice your Instapot has a fill line, but you shouldn't go over the fill line for this recipe. The ranch dip. And with the taco seasoning, it's up to you. You know, if you want to make it mild or spicy taco seasoning. Since I forgot that second packet of taco seasoning, I'm adding a little chili powder. And then all you do is add the lid. You gotta get it lined up. You'll hear it make that sound that lets you know that the seal is closed. You want to make sure that the lid is on sealing, right in the middle, sealing. Okay, it's all locked up. And then hit manual, the manual button, and 30 or 35 minutes. I'm gonna do 35, and that's all you have to hit. You can make the time go up and down with the plus button, but I already had it set to what I need. So the only thing to know is that you said 35 minutes, but it really takes longer than that because it takes a while for the pressure to build up. It's cooking at 35 minutes. So I'm going to pause here and we'll come back when this is done. Okay, we're back. So once your timer goes off, then you need to vent the steam. So you'll push the little nozzle on the top to venting, and this will take a few minutes to vent. And we'll come back when it's done venting. Okay, once it's done venting, you can just take off the lid. And then I like to, you can always test the temperature with a thermometer just to make sure it's safe. I've never had a problem. And then your meat will still be in big chunks. So I like to take a fork and knife and just shred that chicken a little bit so it's not in those big pieces anymore. And then once you do that, you can eat it as is, or I like to add a little garnish. I like to put some in a bowl here. I like to add shredded cheese and a little bit of avocado. There we go. And it looks like this, your 3-bean and chicken stew. And this amount that we made will serve, I would say, 4 to 6 people. And again, it takes longer than you set your Instapot, but the whole thing is less than an hour, prep, start to finish. Alright, thanks for watching.